Greetings, viewers, students, fellow researchers, and colleagues. My name is Yaroslav Sadovsky. I work at National Research Nuclear University at the Department of Plasma Physics. And if you're working with plasma physics, mostly you're dealing with concerning surfaces. You are dealing with thin film deposition, various coatings, maybe surface modification. And that's what we are going to talk about in the scope of methods of surface analysis. We will look at the methods which will give you information about surface composition, surface relief analysis. These are the most important things when dealing with surface modification. Surface composition and surface relief are the things that you want to know in this case, in the case of surface modification by means of plasma or coating deposition. You may have read scientific papers and encountered such phrases there. We observe a big shift somewhere, and that's why we know that it's this substance and not this, or we observe a darkening of the image given by such method, and that's why we know that it's that substance or not that. And there are tons of methods which are labeled by strange abbreviations you may encounter in scientific papers. And sometimes you're wondering, well, why are they saying that? What are these methods? And that's what we are going to study in this course. I will try to get you familiar with the most basic methods of surface analysis that give you the information about surface composition and surface relief. And in a very basic way, because there are a lot of them, and we will go from one to another very quickly, but these are the most basic methods. After this course, when you read a paper, you could understand why the authors have such statements, why they state that the substance they are analyzing is this and not that by using each method. Also, when you do your own research, you will now know which method is the best for your condition, which method is the most favorable for your condition, which is the method the best for you to use to analyze your coatings, films, or surfaces you are dealing with. So if you're ready, let's get started.